Have you ever wondered how to use Bollinger Bands for cryptocurrency trading? Well, wonder no more. Bollinger Bands are a technical analysis tool that traders use to gauge volatility and potential price levels. They're like a roadmap, showing where a cryptocurrency might be oversold or overbought. This makes them invaluable in helping you make informed trading decisions. So, whether you're trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency, Bollinger Bands are a must-have tool in your trading arsenal. Now let's explore how you can use Bollinger Bands for your cryptocurrency trades. The first step is to add the Bollinger Bands indicator to your chart on TradingView. It's as straightforward as clicking on the Indicators tab and selecting Bollinger Bands from the drop-down menu. Next, let's tweak the settings a bit. Change the length from the default 20 to 50. This is a more conservative setting than the default. Don't worry about the rest of the settings, they can stay as they are. You've now customized your Bollinger Bands to better fit the volatile world of cryptocurrency. Now that you have set up your Bollinger Bands, you are ready to trade. The key to successful trading with Bollinger Bands is understanding when to enter a long or short trade. Now let's dive into the practical aspect. Imagine you're analyzing a 15-minute Bitcoin chart. This is where Bollinger Bands truly shine. When you notice the candles crossing up from the bottom of the lower Bollinger Band, it's your cue to enter a long trade. Why? Because it's an indication that the market is oversold and there's a high chance of a price rebound. Conversely, if the candles cross down from the top of the Bollinger Band, it signals that the market is overbought. This is the moment to enter a short trade, anticipating a potential price drop. Remember, these signals are not foolproof, but they provide a solid foundation for making informed trading decisions. With these guidelines, you can optimize your trading strategy using Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands are a great tool to enhance your cryptocurrency trading skills. Remember to adjust the length, observe the Bitcoin chart, and make your move when the candles cross. Let's conquer the crypto world together. Like, comment, and subscribe to Crypto CJ's Trading Odyssey.